the ultimate cloud solutions for fintech customers. It is incredibly simple, secure, and meets all your needs. Data is the currency of modern business. Maintaining data integrity and availability is crucial to your organization's long-term health. Ensure the security of your essential data with ZyBiSys Cloud Operating Console. ZyBiSys Cloud makes the transition to the cloud simple by providing cloud services that expand your data center and secure your IT infrastructure, changing your organization with a real hybrid solution as backup and availability on demand. Cloud technology allows you to complement or replace existing on-premises backup systems with a scalable, dependable, secure, and encrypted cloud solution for maximum coverage at a reduced overall cost. Support for a wide range of applications, including file servers, SQL servers, SharePoint Exchange, and Windows clients, as well as the protection of client files and folders and infrastructure as a service. With ZyBiSys Cloud, security, privacy, and compliance procedures, you can have confidence in the safety of your data. Visit cloud.zybisys.com to understand how you can use backup to secure your data and keep your business functioning. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.